Hi guys, so as the title said, I'm gonna be dyeing my boyfriend's hair white because he wants white hair. So yeah, what we're gonna do right now, we're about to go to the beauty supply store. We're gonna get all the products. I'm gonna be doing it. Listen, I'm not a professional, but I will be soon because I'm going back to beauty school. But that's neither here nor there. So we're about to go to the beauty supply store and I'm going to show you guys all the products that we're going to get, and then we're going to come back home and I'm going to bleach his hair white all in one sitting. Guys, after the purple shampoo, I used T18 Wella, about 3 bottles, to achieve this ash blonde. He wants a white, and we'll probably get white when we do another application. But for now, I think I did pretty good. Let me know what you guys think below.